It says Zoom. Is that right? Is it recording?
Yeah. Look at my
Oh,
hair.
you look good. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you've seen from the title, this is going to be a cooking vlog or cooking video. How to. What are you making, Emily?
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Sorry, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Tell them what you've been doing.
Homework.
Homework. That's that graduate school life, y'all. She's almost there. And then
I just spent my whole Sunday. Well, we went to church this morning. And then I spent 4 hours doing homework today.
Well, you took a nap. Also.
But I spent 4 hours doing homework.
Yeah. And I've been watching the kids. I've been on daddy duty.
That's why I look tired.
Yeah.
This is real life. Like this
Real
is
life.
what time is it?
7:54. Evie's in the bed.
I still got work to do for my real job tomorrow.
Yeah. She said I'm gonna help her color this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a
book.
It's a book or whatnot. So.
Okay, let's get started. So
Yeah. But if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming. Hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and give us a 30-day trial. See what you think about watching the Warrens. From the previous video, guys, thank you so much for the love that you have been showing us after our break. Like I said, we got over 1,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. We're growing. We're gonna put out new content. This, as you've seen, this video does not have an introduction because we're working on a new introduction video. Since we're here in Texas now, the kids are older, so we gotta get up to speed. I'm just not learning to make thumbnails, so we only been doing it for 2 years, so it's time. It was time. So, but yeah, as you've seen for the title, how to make banana bread. Ebony says it's not gonna take that long. I don't know anything about it.
Bread. It's the kids love it. It's one of our favorites to have for breakfast or a little snack. So what we have here, show them the ingredients. We have I put a little walnuts in my banana bread.
Walnuts.
All-purpose flour.
Sugar. Cinnamon.
Baking soda.
Baking
powder. 2 eggs.
Okay.
It calls for milk, but they drink it all, so I'm gonna use heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And it says 3 ripe bananas, but I prefer to use just 3 regular bananas that are not overly ripe because it makes the banana bread really banana-y, you know, like get that banana. So.
Okay.
So what do you think we do first, Jordan?
What do we do first? Probably put the egg in the bowl.
Yeah, I need a mixer.
I'm learning, y'all. Oh.
That's good. 1 cup of sugar. And 1 stick of butter.
A whole stick? Golly.
Yeah.
Guys, this is our first time vlogging in the kitchen, so we're not sure how the lighting is going to be. It looks.
Try to order us some ring lights.
Yeah. It looks good from just the.
Yeah, I think it's usually really clear in here.
Yeah, so bear with us.
Sugar. Okay. Maybe. Cream together.
Butter and sugar just mixing. Deadly.
Cream.
Alright.
I'm so sleep, but y'all, you saw that. I'm sure you saw. Today is Sunday, and January the 26th, and we saw that Kobe Bryant and his daughter and some other passengers passed away today, and that's just it's so sad. And usually at this time of night I like to get in bed because like I don't want to be asleep. I like to be winding down. And
I'm gonna take one of those Benadryls.
I'm trying to go through it yet.
Huh?
So I'm trying to not be so rigid. Oh, don't do that. Just gonna take that out my spatula. I'm not a baker, y'all, so I don't really know if this is like. I made it once before.
You made it a couple times, didn't you?
No, I don't make banana bread. Well, I made it once since we've been here. I've made it before, but just once since we've been here. Then it says, what does it say? Add eggs one at a time.
So we got the sugar and the butter. Cup of sugar, stick of butter.
I'm gonna add eggs.
Adding the eggs one at a time. I don't know what's the big deal on that, but that's what the recipe calls for.
Eggs. One. One egg. Two eggs. I'm gonna add 3 bananas. It says mash them, but
The blender's gonna do that, isn't it?
I like it says mash them, but I prefer to put them in the blender because I like that.
You like?
I like to put them in the blender
Why?
because it makes it smoother.
Oh, so you doing your own thing?
Yeah, I don't follow directions. I do, but I don't. So here we go. 2. And this is gonna make a low size pan, like this pan right here size.
Yeah.
Last time I doubled it and made a big old pan.
Well,
We ate it all, but it was way too much.
I think I ate most of it, like always.
No. It says add some milk. I think the milk is just for the I might use almond milk. I'm gonna use this heavy whipping cream. I don't measure it.
You don't measure it. How much did it call for?
It said a tablespoon, but it's just to, so it won't. It's just to help it. My measuring spoons at? I just had.
Right there behind.
Oh. And I need
So Erin said she don't measure. We just doing our own thing right now.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
But we're gonna measure the cinnamon though. So we had a cup of sugar, a stick of butter, whip it till it's creamy.
What?
That's what it says, right? Whip it up till it's creamy. And then 2 eggs, 3 bananas,
A little splash of milk.
splash of milk, and how much cinnamon?
A teaspoon of cinnamon.
A teaspoon of cinnamon.
2 cups of all-purpose flour. Whoa, flour is so messy. I'm putting
If this lighting is gonna be that good.
1.
It seems like it's just too bright. I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, see, I hate flour. 2. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. It's my phone. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda.
Teaspoon.
And the baking powder. Bam!
Are we almost in?
And I'll just get plastic fork and just mix this all up to incorporate it. It calls for salt, but guys, I don't recommend doing this. You're supposed to use unsalted butter, but I only had salted butter. So I use salted butter instead. I'm not gonna add any salt to this. It supposed to calls for a teaspoon of salt. But I'm sure I know plenty of salt in my butter. But we'll try it out and see. Taste. Tell y'all what the ingredients we used. It's a recipe I found offline too. You need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 3 ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And those are the ingredients you need. You can look it up online, guys, because I can't tell you every single step because y'all kind of saw what I did. It's really easy. It's a basic baking rules. Mix your wet ingredients, your dry ingredients, then mix them together. That's it.
Oh, okay. And I was just the cameraman, of course. So we're definitely gonna try it in. Well, it's got 48 minutes on the timer. I guess we got
so now we're about to go color some paper for work.
So I'm gonna help her with some work stuff. Oh, you see that? It's flashing. Battery's about to go dead.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go. We'll be back once the bread is done.
Bam! Don't that looks tasty, guys?
All right, guys. Like I said, this is our first vlog with this lighting in the kitchen, so we shall see. But it was in the oven for a little over an hour.
About an hour and 10 minutes.
Hour and 10 minutes. So we're gonna let that cool down, but it looks good. I'm gonna eat it.
I'm ready to get sliced.
We've been snacking and eating while we're waiting on that. So yeah, there you have it, guys. What, banana bread?
Yep, all done, and it's 9:20.
9:20. So how to make banana bread?
Y'all hear Nora crying in the background.
Yeah.
So we out, guys.
Peace.